everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be discussing how social media analytics works and how you can use social media analytics tools to improve your social media marketing efforts. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, understand what social media analytics are. So in simple terms, social media analytics is a process of analyzing data of various social media platforms to measure the success of your campaigns. So the data can be anything from the number of followers you have to the engagement rate on your post. It is important because it provides the valuable insights of your social media campaigns. By analyzing various data from various social media platforms, you can determine what type of content your audience really likes or what type of content really resonates with your audience. Which social media channels drives the most traffic to your website, and much more. It helps to measure your social media campaigns by analyzing various social media analytics like engagement rate, click-through rate, conversion rate. You can analyze what is working for your audience and what is not. Second, it provides insights into your audience. By analyzing demographic data, you can gain insights like who your audience is, what type of content they really like. So all this type of information about your audience you can get from the insights. It helps to create more effective content. By analyzing the content, you can get to know which type of content is performing better. You can create more of that type of content and it will help you to grow better. It allows you to optimize your social media strategy, such as which social media channels to focus and which time to post, etc. Social media platforms gather data on user activities such as likes, comments, shares and clicks. This data then compiled and presented to you in the form of analytics. Okay, now let's talk about how exactly you can use these analytics tools to improve your social media marketing efforts. There are several tools available, both free and paid. But here in this video, let's talk about the most popular ones. So first, let's talk about Google Analytics. Though it's not a typical social media analytics tools, but it helps you to analyze which social media platforms drives the most traffic to your website. So it is the best tool for that, and you can have a better idea and according to that you can optimize your social media strategy. Next, we have Facebook Insights. This tool has built inside Facebook and analyze the data of your Facebook page's performance. You can see how many people are engaging with your post, the reach of your post, even the demographic data of your followers. Next, we have Twitter Analytics for Twitter. It provides data of your Twitter account's performance. You can simply use this data to analyze which post is performing better, with which post your audiences are resonates with in better way, and according to that you can set your reset your content strategy. So you can use Twitter Insights. It's a great tool to use and it's completely free. Okay, lastly we have Instagram Insight. It's similar to this only, but it's really easy and really smooth to use. The user experience is great because I'm only using it for 2 to 3 years, and if you can use it, you can easily know that which post is performing good, which type of posts are performing not that much good. According to that you can reset your content strategy. You can grow in Instagram very easily and faster way. So in the next slide I will be giving you some tips on how to use these analytics tools in a better way, so that you can use it in a fruitful way and grow in your social media faster. So check this out slide and you can have a screenshot of this slide. Social media analytics is a crucial part of your content strategy of your social media marketing, and if you can use it fruitfully, you will be adjust your content strategy and social media campaigns, and those will perform better. So start analyzing your social media data today with this beautiful and amazing tools, and take your social media game to the next level. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button and comment below. If you have any questions, you can ask me, and if you have any other queries, you can anytime get connected with me in Instagram. I will give the link in the below description section. You can check that out. So for today, this is it. I will be back with a new video in this series. This will be last video very soon. So for today, bye.